What's up traders? In this 5-minute scalping strategy video, I'm gonna implement a new trading strategy. I'm curious if this strategy has a high win rate. I'm not that sure, but of course I'm gonna backtest it 100 times. But first off, let's dive right in and add the indicators. The first indicator that we need is the Itg Scalper indicator. This one's from Completer. The second indicator that we're going to use is the volume trend histogram. So the volume trend histograms it's from L name. All right, so first things first, we have these two indicators added to our trading view. What we will do now is add some adjustments to the Itg Scalper indicator. Alright, now let's adjust some of the settings. First off, for the Itg Scalper, adjust some settings. So what we're going to do is the time frame for the filter is going to be 5 minutes, because of course we are going to trade on the 5-minute time frame. Second, for the TMA period, we're going to adjust 14 to 9. The filter fast strength is going to be 11. Oh, it's going to be 11. The filter slow length is going to be 22. And the filter signal length is going to be 47. And also the plot thema, we're going to adjust and unmark that one. So this is how in essence you're going to see the Itg Scalper. For the FTH, we're going to adjust also some settings. What we're going to do is the inputs from the source length is going to be... So the source length is going to be 40. And the signal length is going to be 5. We're also going to add some difference in the style. What we're going to do is we're going to go for a line instead of a histogram. And for the colors, what we're going to do is the first one is going to be gray. Which one was it? This one. And the color red is going to be the color blue. Alright, so this is in essence the setup for both indicators. I'm going to adjust this a bit, and now I'm going to explain when to take a long position and when to take a short position. It's quite easy, guys. Let's dive right in. Alright guys, first things first, now we're going to explain a short position, and this strategy is quite easy to use. 3 things need to happen before you can take a short position. First things first is that we need the sell signal, this one. This is a short position signal. And the second thing is that the FTH indicator needs to turn blue. What we're currently seeing, it's turning blue there, guys. And the third, but definitely not the least, we need to wait for a confirmation candle. And the confirmation candle needs to be red. So this green candle is not where you can take your short position. You wait for this candle. This is the first bearish candle after the short position signal was given. So now what we do is we can take a short position. Always remember, guys, use the short position over here, set the stop loss or the last wick high or wick low, and use a risk reward of 1.5. Alright, what we're seeing right now, guys, is that we have a successful short position. We almost got our stop loss almost got hit, but we had a secure trade. Now I'm gonna explain the long position, and after that, of course, I'm gonna backtest 100 times and see what the win rate is. Alright guys, so now I'm gonna explain a long position, and in the long position is exactly the same as a short position, but then vice versa. So 3 things need to happen before we can take a long position. First things first is the FTH indicator is already turning green, so this is a great first thing. The second is that we need that green arrow to appear, and there it is, guys. There's the green arrow. The only thing we need right now is the third thing, is there's a confirmation candle in a bullish momentum. So let's wait on that one. So what we're seeing right now is that there is a bullish momentum in this candle, so now we can take a long position, guys. Always use a risk reward of 1.5 and set your stop loss at the wick high or wick low. Always use a risk reward of 1.5 again, and let's see how this trade is gonna go. Alright guys, so what we're seeing is that also the long position was a successful trade. Always remember guys, look at the win rate of a strategy before implementing. I'm gonna backtest it 100 times so you guys don't have to do that 100 backtesting. After that, I'm gonna share the results of course with you and let you know what my personal opinion is about this strategy. Before we go to the backtesting guys, I need to talk to you about something. One way to make more money in all your trades is through BYBIT. BYBIT has one of the best interfaces to trade and has very low fees. With all the commotion about the Binance BUSD, I think it's a pretty clear and easy bet to go through BYBIT. If you want to support our channel and make more money on your trades, it's important to use BYBIT as your broker. If you use our referral code, you can get a bonus up to $600 and you help us to create more content. We really appreciate it guys, thanks. If you're stuck in your trades and want to have an improvement on your trades, we suggest to look into our premium Patreon channel. What we give away are some private indicators that are specially created by us for you, and we also have a premium signal group. You can copy our trades and make some money. Just look in our spreadsheet about the results of last month and you will be convinced. Check it out guys, thanks. Alright guys, so the results of our Itg Scalper indicator are in. We used it on a 5-minute time frame and of course we used a risk reward of 1.5. The trades that were taken were 100 and it took me 24 days on TradingView to get these results. The most consecutive wins were 2 and the most consecutive losses were 3. So guys, the actual win rate was 50%, so I don't really recommend this strategy. I already was a bit hard-headed in this strategy because of the indicators that were used, but I thought let's give it a try. So the stop loss was at the swing high or swing low and the GOA was 2%. This isn't really that great guys. The GOA with a stop loss of 1% was 25%. Personally, I wouldn't really use this indicator, but yeah, it's nice to know that this indicator isn't that great so you don't really lose a lot of money. This is the reason why we make these videos. Besides that, I took 100 trades, but unfortunately I noticed a bit too late that all the trades that I already took were not recorded. So sorry for that guys. Next time I will be on point and record every trade. Yeah, this was the results of the Itg scalp indicator. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did and watched it all to the end, you're a G, you're a top G. And besides that, I hope you like and subscribe to the video. Thanks guys. Cheers.